Ready to unlock a world of communities, connect with friends, and get instant updates, all with just a tap. Today, I'm going to show you how to join a WhatsApp group using an invitation link, the simplest way to become part of the conversation. First, you need to find the invitation link. This link is usually shared directly with you via another WhatsApp chat, email, text message, or even posted on social media. Look for a URL that starts with chat WhatsApp. Once you found the link, simply tap on it. This will automatically open WhatsApp on your phone. You'll then see a preview of the group you're about to join. This screen shows the group's name, its profile picture, and sometimes a short description. Take a quick look to make sure it's the right group. At the bottom of the screen, you'll find a Join Group button. Tap on this button. Congratulations! You are now a member of the WhatsApp group. You can start participating in the conversation, view shared media, and connect with other members. To learn more about the group, tap on the group name at the top of the chat. This will take you to the group info screen where you can see participants, media, and group settings. If at any time you decide to leave the group, scroll to the bottom of the group info screen and tap Exit Group. And that's it. Joining a WhatsApp group with a link is that easy. Now you can easily connect with communities, friends, and stay in the loop. Be sure to like and subscribe for more helpful WhatsApp tips.